What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. In today's video, we're going to be putting this rebuilt engine in this car right here. So should be real interesting. You guys stay tuned and hopefully have a running car soon. '65 Mustang. That is just beautiful. Done a lot of work to her, completely redone everything, and you guys know that I rebuilt an engine for it, and that engine blew up. But all hope is not lost. I managed to find another block and rebuild another engine last night. So here is our new engine going back in the Mustang. It is a 74 block with a Lunati cam. The same heads that have been ported and polished and are new off the old Mustang. Everything's redone. We set the timing last night. Same intake. We're gonna put the same car back on, but it's nice. It's nice. Yeah. And even crazier, on this harmonic balancer, we can actually read the timing on it. So that's great. Hopefully today we're gonna be putting that engine in that car. We're not gonna be able to start it today because I'm missing push rods. I had to order some more push rods, so they'll be here next video, and then we'll get it started, drive it, all that fun stuff. But right now, we're gonna start by moving that thing over there. And I don't have concrete, so this should be fun. Also, don't make fun of my heaters. I'm freezing. Well, guys, I really don't feel like picking this thing up because it's like 700 pounds, so we got a tractor. And like that, with a little bit of ingenuity, me and Dad got the engine right here with the Mustang. Went pretty smoothly, but we're gonna get this thing on the engine stand, start doing the clutch, getting all that flywheel situated, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop this thing in here. We're gonna have to take the radiator out. That thing was a pain last time. We should have just taken it out, but let's finish getting the engine ready, and you're going in there. Hey, Shelby. Okay, we had to run to the store, get some Loctite, but we're back. We're gonna put the plate on, flywheel on, clutch on, all that mess. So let's do it. Well, guys, we have the flywheel on, and you guys can see what we wrote on our names on the flywheel last time, which was 11/5/2020. And today is the 6th of December. So this flywheel was in this car for not even a month. But hopefully this will be the last time. But let's go ahead and put the clutch on. Clutch is back on. Everything should be good to go. We're gonna go ahead, get this engine in the car, and then figure out what kind of problems we got. We have to move the trans a little bit. We got her on a center block, but you're going in there.
A few inches later.
And boom, the engine is in the car. Thank goodness. Gosh, this has been a task and a half. Just trying to get these other dowel pins lined up. And this crane As much as I like it, I should have got the bigger one because this arm isn't quite long enough, but we'll figure it out. We'll fix it eventually, but it's in the car. Everything's hooked up, trans bulked up. Now we're gonna go ahead, put everything on it. We're gonna go put the starter on, all the front accessories hooked up, fuel pump, exhaust, except for we're waiting for push rods. So everything except for that, and we're getting close, guys. We're getting close. So put you guys back on time lapse, and should be done soon. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour or so and we finally managed to wrap up almost everything on the engine. We got the belt hooked up, everything, front accessories hooked up, all the wire for the batteries hooked up, exhaust is hooked up, hung up in the back, everything's good. We should be good. We went ahead and put the carb on, just might as well. I've got a lot more faith in this engine. It is way better than the one I built, so hopefully it works out. I don't know, I'm scared, but there's not much else we can do tonight. We've gotten a lot done today. I mean, in the last 24 hours, we bought this engine yesterday, bottom end, rebuilt the entire thing yesterday and today, and then put it in the car today. So 24 hours, bought an engine, built it, and installed it. So that's pretty good goal. We're getting pretty good at it on this Ford platform, to be honest. We're getting really good at it. Worst case scenario, we have to pull it out again. So hopefully that didn't happen. Hopefully. Knock on wood. But I'm gonna cut the video off here. Not much else to do except for clean up. So I'll talk to you guys next episode. Next episode we should be getting the push rods, like I said. Hopefully taking this thing for a drive. I hope. Hopefully. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys a ton for watching. I really appreciate it. Please help me get to 1,000 subs. We're at 600 some now, so I'd really appreciate that. Anyway, you guys have a good rest of your day, and talk to you on the next one. See ya.